Hey guys, and welcome to Mr.Fusion 360, and in this video we'll be making a Pokeball in Fusion 360 as you can see. So let's get started. First we'll choose our plane. I'm using a front plane to create circles for that Pokeball. So first I'll create a center circle of a diameter 2.5 inches, and I will split this into half. We'll be creating total 3 sketches, and the two will be of same but the diameter are different. Now finish sketch. Now we'll create a new sketch, and this time we'll turn off this sketch 1. Let's rename this 1 minute. Happen. Yes. We'll rename this and we'll rename this as outermost. Now we'll create a new sketch and turn off this. And in sketch 2 we'll be creating a center circle 2.4 inches as I have said. 2.4 inches. Again we'll split this into half and we'll trim the remaining part which is not of our use, and finish sketch. And we'll create a new sketch again and turn off sketch 2, and this time we'll not be using center circle, we'll be using center rectangle, and the width will be 5.5 millimeters. Hit tab to switch. The length will be 3 inches. Okay, now we'll be creating 3 circles for the release buttons as you have made. So first, draw a circle of diameter 18 mm, one more circle of 15 mm, and the last one of 10 mm. So we have done sketching. Now we will uh, turn our sketch into solid. So turn on the first sketch, which is outermost, and click on revolve, and we have to select profile and then axis. This will give you this result, and after this turn on sketch 3, and we have to cut this sketch in 2 sides. So first we will be extruding this whole sketch in front, and then we will be owning then we'll be extruding only the 15 or 10% of this sketch. So let's extrude this uh, uh, switch off bodies, that will be easier for you. Select the whole and cut this off. We'll repeat the same. Switch of bodies, select sketch 3, and this time we'll be selecting only the rectangular portion. Let's extrude this, turn on bodies, and move the arrow backwards until it cuts. That's cut. So our we have finished cutting. Now we will turn on sketch 2 and turn off bodies, and we will revolve this sketch 2. So it will be creating an inner portion for that ball, and make sure that your operation is join, not cut. After that we'll be extruding the circles for these release buttons. So click switch off bodies so you can select easily. Select the middle circle first, then turn on bodies, otherwise it will not show you. uh, You have to just eyeball it. I don't have any particular dimensions for it. I think minus 32 will be minus 31 will be okay. And change the operation to join. We will repeat the same for the inner circle. Switch off bodies. Click on extrude. Select the center innermost circle. And for this, I think gray or white. So first we'll be coloring the lower portion as any white. Now select the release buttons and type here white. LED, you can see this LED SMD 3528 and so on. So drag this to that selected portion. That's not selected, I think. After coloring it, it will be look more beautiful, as much better. The last faces. Here it will be pretty hard for you to select the face, so make sure that you have selected that face only. I'm having trouble in this, so I will be close this and choose repeat appearance, and now I will select this LED. So we have done coloring our Pokeball. Select check that you have properly colored it and you are satisfied with the colors. If not, you can change them as per your choice. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel if you like this video. If not, leave a comment below and tell me what should I do to improve my videos.